Difficult environment for my particular brand right now. My brand is sourced in Asia for the last 2 decades. So it is very difficult, as you can imagine, where in business you want continuity.
I'm the sole distributor for Apollo in the United States. It's been a very successful relationship. Actually, this year is kind of difficult because you know the situation that's been going on between the USA and China. Unfortunately, we basically put on hold on all production to wait to see what's going to happen. So we're not importing right now.
I don't think that most American consumers are going to be okay with paying much higher prices. They're used to global trade, and that's what we've established over the past 80 years, and I believe that it's going to have devastating impacts.
The market isn't very happy in the US. The stock market itself has gone down. If you're a retired person and you've got income in the US, potentially your pocketbook has just shrunk. So the question becomes, is it worth it?